Hi everybody. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how our PMS strategies have performed for the month of June. It was a month that demanded balance, and that's exactly what our strategies are built to deliver. Let's take a closer look and go over it one by one. First up, we have Solitaire, which is balance over hype. Solitaire, our flagship flexi-cap strategy, continues to stand out with its sharp stock selection and quality-first approach. In June, the strategy delivered a 2.81% return, while the broader S&P BSE 500 TRI did slightly better at 3.68%. Solitaire's performance over the long term still holds strong. Its 2-year CAGR stands at 26.55%, and since inception, it has compounded at 24.04%, well ahead of its benchmark. The portfolio remains focused on stability and substance. Nearly 75% of the holdings are debt-free companies, and the beta continues to stay low at 0.76. That means that we're not taking any excess risk to chase returns. It's about durability and quality all the way. If you're looking for a strategy that thrives on discipline and depth rather than noise, Solitaire could be the right fit. Don't forget to get in touch with us. Next up, we have TrueBlue, blue chips done right. TrueBlue, our large cap strategy built from the Nifty 50 universe, delivered a return of 2.61% in June. What stands out is its steady performance over time, 12.8% over the last year and a solid 13.57% since inception. Importantly, this has come with lower volatility than the benchmark. TrueBlue doesn't invest in all of Nifty 50 names, it chooses very selectively. Its weightage is heavy in financials, FMCG and capital goods, while staying underweight on volatile sectors like IT and oil and gas. This disciplined filtering has definitely paid off. So if you want a low churn, high quality, large cap exposure without structural index risks, TrueBlue does exactly that. Get in touch with us today. Next, we have Vidi, small caps and big research. Vidi bounced back in June with a solid 4% return, building on its 20.1% gain over the last 3 months. Though the 6-month number is in the red, its longer-term story remains compelling, a 25.7% CAGR since inception and a 3-year return of 29.5%. But what makes Vidi unique? Over 60% of its portfolio consists of debt-free companies, and a majority of its holdings are under-researched by the market, which means the potential for price discovery is still ahead of us. We're talking about emerging leaders from niche segments like agrochemicals, pharma, infra, and capital goods. If you believe in patient investing and deep research over hype, Vidi offers access to undiscovered growth. Get in touch with us if you'd like to invest in this strategy. Next up, we have Sphere, macro smart and multi-asset. In a month where markets kept investors guessing, Sphere continued its calm and consistent march forward with a 1.75% return. That brings its 1-year return to 21.06 and its since inception CAGR to an impressive 30.12%. Sphere mixes equity, debt, gold, and global exposure in a well-balanced structure. With over 22% allocated to precious metals, it continues to reflect our top-down macro view and protects capital through diversification. If you're looking for smoother returns across cycles and geographies, Sphere is a strategy worth exploring. Next up, we have Neo, designed for NRIs, powered by macros. Neo, our dedicated strategy for NRIs, also had a steady month with a 1.88% return in June. Over the last year, it has delivered 19.25%, and since its launch, the CAGR stands at 26.28%. With nearly 80% in equities and 13% in precious metals, Neo reflects our global macro thinking while remaining rooted in Indian opportunities. It's built for NRIs seeking diversification and quality across borders. So if you're an NRI looking for a thoughtful, macro-aware investment strategy, Neo is tailored just for you. Don't forget to get in touch with us. So to conclude, June reminded us once again that markets may fluctuate, but discipline and quality always stand tall. While valuations remain elevated in parts of the market, opportunities continue to exist for those willing to go deeper and think longer term. At Ithought, our PMS strategies are committed to staying selective, staying balanced, and staying ahead. If you're ready to align your investments with conviction and clarity, get in touch with us today. We're just a click away, and also see you in the next PMS Factsheet.